How are you all? Today I have come up with a new video like how to arrange the connections in the SAP Logon pad. Hope you have gone through my previous video of how to add connection in the SAP system. So today we will learn the next topic of how to arrange the connections in the SAP Logon pad. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and thank you for watching for my previous videos. Okay. So today we will start off with the topic. So how to arrange the connections. So if you see here, we have four connections which have been added into the SAP Logon pad. Okay. So now how do we arrange this in order to make sure you have a clear visualization of how and what system you are going to log on. Okay. So if you see here, I have selected the Explorer view. So in this Explorer view, you can see that the screen is divided into two halves. Okay, so here if you see, this half can be either decreased or increased depending upon your view, or depending upon how you like it. Okay, now in this, if you see on the left side, you have favorites, shortcuts and connections. So today we will discuss about the favorites and connections. Shortcuts, I'll create one more video and share it with you in the next session or next topic. Okay, so for today, if you see the connections on the left side, you can always if you just right click on that with your mouse, you see that there are three options that are given by the SAP. One is add new subfolder, add new entry, okay, and filter folders. So let us see how to add the new subfolder. Add new entry is nothing but the adding of the new connection. So it is just the same as we did last time in the last video. So you can just go through that video if you want to see how to add a new entry in that. Okay, so now if you want to add a new folder, just click on it. So it will open a folder, a pop-up, and here you can give the details. For example, I'm just entering a description for it, folder name. Okay, so now it has created one folder. Okay, similarly, if I want to add one more folder, I can just add another folder, and you can give the name how you want. Okay, so now I have two folders which I have created. Now if you want to just segregate the connections that you have in this, what you can do, you can just do a drag and drop. Okay, so for example, my development, if it's an implementation project system, I'll just move it there. Similarly, production also I'll move it here. Similarly, QAS also I'll move it here. And now this system, I would like to move it to the IDS, industry specific. Okay, so now if you see here, this system will be in this way, and the other three systems which we have seen will be in this manner. Okay, now here also on the right hand side of the screen, okay, you can always do an ascending, you can always arrange them also. Okay, how do we arrange them? Now log on, if you want to log on, you can also just right click on that connection and click on log on, or else you also have the option of just clicking on the logon here. Okay, or if you double click on this button, that will also take you to the logon screen. Okay, similarly, if you don't want to have this connection in your list, so you can just right click on it or delete. And the second option is you can also see here the delete button, you can just delete it, that will delete your connection. Okay, and another thing that we have to discuss here is the view, how you would like to view your connections. Now if you see here, there are four options: large icons, small icons, list and details. So now if you want to look at, or if you want to view the connections in as a large icon, so you can just see here, see how the connections have been arranged. So dev, production, quality. Okay, now if you want to view it in the small connections, this is how. Similarly, if you want to view it in the list, so this is how you will see it. Similarly, if you want to see it in the details, this is how you see it. Okay, now if you have it in the view option, okay, you have further options of sorting it. Okay, so whether you want to sort it, so if you see here, already the connections are sorted on the name. That means the alphabetical order is followed. So if you see here, D start comes first, similarly next P, Q. Okay, that is the reason why you see all of them in this manner. Now if you want to just do the descending order, so if you see here a small symbol you see here, correct? So if you just click on the column also, it will just do the descending order. So this is descending order, this is ascending order. So either you right click and go in order to sort by the name, or if you do not want to go there, you can just click on the columns here and it will automatically do the descending and ascending of the available systems. Similarly here also. Okay, similarly here also, if you see here, ERD, ERP, ERQ. So here if you have more alphabets or more characters in a word, so it will always go by the last character. So whatever is the last character, so the ascending and descending will be on that basis. Okay, similarly here if you see, if you want to do the ascending and descending the same way, so 221, 222 and 223, because the rest of the digits are same. Okay, similarly here also if you want to do ascending descending, it is 0 1 2 3 3 2 1. Okay, so this is how you do the ascending and descending, or if you want to sort by. So depending upon the columns that you want to sort by, you can always play with the relevant sorting order. Okay, similarly if you want to check the properties, right click on it and click on the properties, then it will show you the different properties. So here if you want to change, if you want to make any changes to the descriptions and all, you can always do that. Okay, so another option that we can see here is with respect to the connections. Okay, so the explorer view, this is the explorer view, okay, that I have, as I have explained earlier. Now we have list view, which will show only the list. Similarly, you have the tree view where you can see it in the tree manner. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you all for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.